Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view history in YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your history in your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when you land over here you can see the history option available for us just below the downloads. Tap on the history option over here and you'll be able to find all of the history which you had played or watched or listened on the YouTube Music app over here. Because I have cleared my recent watch history earlier, guys, they are not much history, but in your case all of your watch history or your music history on your YouTube Music app will be here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your history in YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.